about it. How to use programmable salt spray test chamber. First, plug in the 220-volt power supply. Connect compressed air. This pressure is adjusted. We don't need to tune again. Just plug in the compressed air pipe. Then water can be automatically added here. Connect the water pipe and automatically add water. Once connected, open this valve. Tap water is filtered. Automatic water addition to pressure drums and test chambers. Just connect the water pipe. Here is the exhaust port. The test exhaust gas needs to be discharged outdoors. This is the drain. Test chamber drain. Open the valve. The water in the test chamber is drained directly. This is the salt water drain. The brine tank has a white glue sieve. Something like this. Unplug the glue screen and it can be drained. There is one in it. This is cylinder drainage. Once a month, open the valve and the drain can be drained. Okay, let's turn on the power switch. We are adding water now. If no water is added, when the new equipment is short of water, the machine will sound an alarm. There's a water level sensor. When there is no water in the tank, the sensor is sunken. It shows lack of water. Show the corresponding local water shortage. The test chamber is short of water. Just add water directly to the test chamber. The salt water tank is short of water. Add it from the test solution entrance. Adjust it at 5%. Add it from here. The water comes directly from the inlet of the test solution to this side. Salt water is added here. Others are added water. When the pressure cylinder, low water level alarm. Just add water manually from this pressure cylinder. Open the valve. Just add water directly into it. If you turn on automatic water filling, you don't need to add it here. Can be automatically added. When the laboratory water level is low and the light is on, just add water from here. Turn on automatic water filling. It can also add water automatically. We put the lid on. Back to boot interface. Operating mode scores values and programs. Fixed value for general salt spray test. Because there is a cycling spray setting here. Set how long to spray and how long to stop. This is the spray time in front, followed by stop time. Select continuous spray. Continuous spraying, for example, it needs to be set for 24 hours. Enter 24 hours. Open. It will automatically shut down after 24 hours. Choose this circulating spray, then set the time. How long to spray and how long to stop. Generally, continuous spraying is used more often. Standby settings. Set a range of 1 degree Celsius. There is no need to change it. That means if we turn on standby, it will heat up to plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. Let's say it's 35 degrees now, up to 34 degrees. It will automatically spray, like you turned off. It will automatically spray as soon as it is turned on. It depends on whether you need to wait for it to heat up before spraying. Just turn on standby if you need to. Ignore it if you don't need it. Go back to the interface. This set temperature is neutral salt spray is 35 to 47 degrees Celsius. This machine is androgynous. It can be set to a maximum temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. Just set it up. After all set up, spray directly. Direct start up. Adjust the pressure gauge below. Pull the knob up and turn it clockwise. Point the gauge pointer to one in the middle. Then push it in. Now the test chamber is spraying. Then look at this spray volume. 1 to 2 milliliters per hour. Dump it when it's full. Amount collected in 24 hours should be between 24 and 48 of the measuring cylinder. Dump it once a day. What if it gets too big? Let's talk about it. If there is a lot of fog. When the fog is heavy, let's unscrew this spray tower. Adjust counterclockwise and the fog will be smaller. Adjust clockwise and the fog gets bigger. Just adjust it and tighten it. This is the collection funnel. Now let's talk about the placement of the samples. For a flat sample like this, don't put it flat like this, because if it is placed flat, there will be water accumulation on it. It isolates the water from the air. Test results are inaccurate. It needs to be tilted at a certain angle. This is the correct way to put it. The water droplets will slide down. This way the test will be accurate. If it is a relatively small sample, can be tied with nylon rope straps. Then hang it on. This way the test results are more accurate. Do not put samples next to each other, because it will produce false corrosion. Precautions. How many rubber plugs are there? This rubber plug must be plugged tightly. Make sure the rubber plug is tight after each cleaning. Don't fall off. If it falls off, the fog will leak out. It will corrode other components and accessories. Water should also be added to the sealed sink. After adding water, cover and seal. Fog won't come out of here. If this water needs to be drained, just unplug this rubber plug. Just drain it. If the water in this test chamber needs to be drained, just open this valve. If the water in the saltwater tank is to be drained, just unplug the rubber plug inside. The water will flow directly from here. Now on to programming. Click to program test. Editing program. It is similar to a constant temperature and humidity test chamber. Generally, it is enough to run the salt spray test with a fixed value. Click function settings. Here is the language selection. Screensaver. Reservation settings. Also less used. It means that after all the salt water is added. Appointment auto start. Auto boot. False logs. You can check the previous fault records.